everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to add an item to bag on Lululemon account. If you're looking for a way to add an item to your shopping bag on Lululemon, then it's a simple process. Launch open a web browser to get started and type in lululemon.com in the web address bar and sign into your account by entering your credentials as well. Once you're signed into the account, go ahead and look for an item you'd like to purchase and add it on your bag. For example, I'm gonna choose a random product just to show it to you. So let me go ahead and get to the categories right here at the top, and once you find the product, you can click it open and after you get to this product review page, click on add to bag. Once you've done that, you will be able to add your item in the shopping bag, which should be located at the top right hand corner of the home screen. You can now get to your bag by clicking on this little bag icon, and then if you are ready to check out with the products, you can click the checkout option. So that's how easily you can add a product to your shopping bag. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.